3, 2, go. 3, 2, 1. Which one are we going to start with? Want me to choose this time? Right in the middle. This is it. This is feeling like a grail. What do I know? Oh, strong head on. Okay, choking at the head hug. Let's do it. Keep it going. Okay, that's good. Hurry up and open before I die, Holocron. Mr. Holocron, I'm not gonna make it. Ouch. If this works. A common.
the worst.
So I went through all of that for nothing, huh? All that pain.
For the worst one.
No, I mean it's the original looking Vader. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2, left to right, left to right. We're both
Stop.
left-handed, so we go left.
Yeah.
Deal. I think we're gonna do all 3 unless we get something really outrageous. Ouch. Okay. Oh. Oh dear. Please be a grill. Make this worth it. Choking. Okay. Your head hugs no longer work.
To make us get the worst one.
That's it. So now, what are you going to do? You going to do it again? Okay. Can we wait until it's closer so I don't pass out while we're just watching the animation, please?
Alright.
Why is this funny? See this? Okay, you ready? Here it goes. Now's your chance. Okay. Okay. And finally... Common. Okay. Head hugs equal commons. We have learned this. You torture your daddy, you are not rewarded. Alright guys, we need something new because the head hugs clearly hurt me and our Grail chances. So we need something new from Mr. Nick here. Maybe I'll head hug you next time.
Yeah. Okay.
And try that.
Fine.
Alright, that's it. We're all out of Star Wars cubes for right now, but Mickey here. And more Star Wars on the way. Those Grails have got to be in there somewhere. So, with a backpack that now has, how many before we run out of time here? 120 wrapped cubes and 18 open, wrapped toy on open cubes, wrapped toys, and then 18 out there. We have 138 assets at the moment. 10 more, which I'm sure by the time this video posts we'll have. And Mickey, so I mean we are going to see upwards of 150 here by the end of September for sure. So there we go, look at that. I am hoping for some more backpack updates, ability to kind of stack these guys up or search or something, because with this many we are still kind of clicking through quite a bit trying to figure out where they are. And so looking forward to some new things in the backpack at some point. But as of now, that's it. We'll see you guys soon.